ऑल रिस्क से तो हमें भी ये फील रहेगा
कि सभी को
all
मिलेगा।
risk का अगर इफ यू जस्ट
हाँ,
ऑल रिस्क सो आई स्टिल डोंट ब्लेम दोस पीपल। हम ही जाके सेल करते हैं डोंट बाय अ फायर पॉलिसी, प्लीज गो फॉर एन ऑल
all
रिस्क,
risk policy.
you know, but there is a fine print. You have to pitch it like that this is an all risk cover or maybe an all risk policy subject to specified exclusions. So we as an intermediary should go and discuss only exclusions cited in the policy. I think that's the right way of selling. All risk policies
Instead
and
of
all
telling all risk.
absolutely. And I think we have changed the pitch in so many years that we do not go and sell a policy and say that, you know, you go for an industrial all risk policy, everything will be covered. Instead, we say that this is a package policy, but let us talk about those exclusions mentioned in each section, be it material damage, be it business interruption, and they must know that what is not covered. Bad workmanship is not covered, you know, defect, manufacturing defect, it's not covered, or what is not covered in business interruption, and that's a very healthy conversation and client appreciates.